the subway, this spot here just cleaned out. I couldn't move, and I've never seen so many people because they're trying to implement the escalator now, where you go off on your right and come down on your left, and you walk the opposite way. It's the same as the west. So now they have guys kind of cordoning off areas, but it's better now. I'm at Kyoto Station, going to Gangnam, so I had to transfer one. So it's really nothing now. Well, I got to be like a little bee and just see how many people come in or come out. I'm at the very end of the train now too. This guy stands here just to make sure that everybody gets in, nobody gets cut in half. But like, look at this one here, look at this one. It's really not that bad. I've seen much worse. So the platform is basically empty, and I gotta go up this way to transfer to. That's it. Just a quick video because I wanted to show you how many people were there, and they just dispersed as quickly as they got in there. I had to catch my train to meet somebody and have dinner. I'll talk to you soon. And I'm walking on the right hand side like a good citizen. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.